Hello and welcome to this new video about the Mayastar7 features. Today we're going to take a look at another tool inside of the modeling sub-panel, and that is the update geometry tool here. Now this geometry tool is aimed at having modular pieces that derive from a main one. So say that this is the main object, and these are copies, okay, that you have placed carefully with various techniques, and you want to update them, okay, because you made a change or whatever. Okay, so how this thing works is quite easy. There are just really a couple of rules to respect. First of all is that the objects have not been frozen. Okay, these objects need to be in non-frozen status. Their names and their shape names are all different from each other. So if you used a group for making a circle and copy the group to make the circle, make sure to ungroup everything so that Maya renames all of the objects accordingly, and also their transformations here are over there. If you freeze transformation, this thing is not gonna work. Okay. Before you begin this procedure, so when you prepare, just remember to, after you have modeled your base object, remember to do a from the rigging panel a clean geo. Okay, and then you make your copies and whatever. Once you have created all of the displaced objects, you have two options. Okay, you may make for example, a copy. All right, and to this copy you go in and make some modifications. I don't know, something like this. And then if you like the thing, you can go ahead and grab all of the others like that and do an update geometry. Would you like to keep the connection, yes or no? For now, let's do a yes. And all of those objects are updating accordingly. Okay, if I go back there and do another modification like the other side, you see that keeping the connections will make the changes live over there. Okay, you don't like it anymore, and you don't want to displace them again, you grab all of these, all of the involved objects, and do disconnect. Should be disconnecting. Okay. All right, and you redo the connection with the original one. Update geometry. Not keeping the connections this time, so I reset it. And now if I make a change onto this one here, you see that there is no live connection. Okay, so let me throw that one away, make a copy, and make again a new live connection. So we do a update geometry. All right, would you like to keep the connection? This time, yes. Again, let's grab, for example, the top. Okay, and with the soft selection, we go almost all the way down there. And make a rotation. Yeah, that's cool. Any kind of changes that you want will be reflected, including the changes in the UVs. Okay, so if we take a look at the UV editor, right now this object has these UVs, same thing for these other objects here. And remember, the connection is still live. Okay, so I go here and I do something for UVs, like automatic, for example. Okay, so we've got this result, which really sucks, but as soon as we select these other ones and disconnect, okay, and reconnect, yes, all of these also get the UVs. You might have used also the transfer attribute tools, whatever, but this one also includes the UVs and not only the geometry. All right, so just keep in mind that all of these objects must have unique names in the scene. They should not be into a group if you use the group to, make a circle. So once you ungroup, all of these objects will get unique names, and the transformation need to be not frozen also for the original object here and or here. Okay, if you happen that you did freeze transformation, unfortunately you can get only the position, not the rotation, unless you rotate all of the pivot points. But regardless of that, we have a tool that we're going to take a look at in another video. So that's it for now. I thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.